Hello everyone, we are going to see about aggregate functions like sum, minimum, max and average. For this I have created a table called sales. Now I will show you how the table will look like. See, like this I have created a table with transaction ID, amount and transaction date. Like this I have created a table for our aggregation functions. Now I will explain you what is aggregation function. The aggregation function in MySQL are used to perform calculations on a set of values and return a single result. Some common aggregation functions include sum, min, max, and average. These functions allows you to calculate the total, minimum, and average value of a column, respectively. Let's explore each of these functions. First, I am going to explain you sum function. The sum function calculates the sum of all values in a column. First, I am going to show you the syntax, how to write a sum. For that, first I am going to write select and the method of sum and a column name, which column you want to sum, and from table name. Suppose if you have a table called sales with a column name amount containing the sales amount of each transaction. You can use the sum fraction sum function to calculate the total sales amount. Now I will show you the code. I am going to write select sum amount from sales. If I press this, see we are getting the total sum amount. Next, we are going to see about min function. The min function returns the minimum value in the column. Now I am going to show you the syntax for that. Just we want to give min and a column name from table name. Like this we want to write. Now I am going to write the code. Select min, the column name is amount and from the table name is sales. If I run this, see the minimum amount is 80.25. Next we are going to see about max function. The max function returns the maximum value in a column. Now I will going to show you the syntax. Select min and column name and column name from table name. Like this we want to write. Here we want to write max column name. Like this we want to write a syntax. Now I will going to show you the code. Select max amount from sales. If I run this, see 300 is the maximum amount from the sales. Next I am going to tell you about the average function. The average function calculates the average value of a column. Next, I'm going to show you the code. Select average, select average amount from sales. If I press this, see 166.3 is the average amount of the sales. These aggregate functions provide valuable insights into the data stored in the database, allowing you to perform various calculations and analyze the data effectively. Thank you.